What's up, gang? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are driving, so we heading to the Pew Party 2. I told y'all in a past video that the next video y'all gonna see us here. Yesterday we went to like a little event, a social event. It went bad for me. I'm not really like a social person. So today I'm gonna try my hardest and talk to more people, socialize and network, and have fun, shoot some big guns. I gotta shoot that 50. I gotta shoot that 50 standing up, and I gotta shoot that automatic Desert Eagle. You feel me? So we're gonna catch y'all inside there, and yeah, sorry about the bumpy road if the camera lady shaking it too much. How you feel?
I'm excited.
How you feel?
I'm excited.
You excited? Yeah, we.
Shoot the big guns.
You gonna shoot the big guns? It look like a lot of people, a lot of cars. All right, so we gonna catch y'all when we get back in there. You shoot that? Yeah. Set it down. Let me see the back. Turn around. Yeah, you see it. YBG. They got the suppressors. Right there.
All right, guys. Boy, it's quiet, huh? They got suppressors on the silencers.
What's up, man?
So, every single one, but one.
But one.
Can you guess which one's the real one?
Let's see.
Howdy.
Howdy. We'll go with this one.
Boom. Yep, got it.
Yeah? You got more wear on it, that's why.
That's why we made the one giveaway.
Yeah? That's what's up. So how much is something like this going for?
Beginner is like 200 and below.
Okay.
300 to 400 is like intermediate. 400 and above is all like very high end.
Okay.
After that, you start getting to like collectible and weird.
Build it to be 9mm, 38 Super Pump, or 40 cal. Our H series,
I won't do that.
we only offer it in 9mm right now. But if you want to, we also have the fourth down there, that's 1776. That one you can do in 40, 10mm, and 9. Full barrel, top barrel, threaded barrels on the motorcycles.
Oh shit, that trigger's one.
So we're about to, fill out this information real quick so we can get entered to win one of the grips. I don't need no grip because I ain't got the damn gun, but whatever.
Drop fire.
I'm gonna drop fire.
Okay, cool.
You can get up closer.
Down.
There you go, bro.
Feels good. See it?
What do you think?
I like it. Yeah, I like it. Me, I got mostly Glocks, Yeah, this is nice. This is nice.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Yes, no problem.
You sure you ain't want to shoot? Yeah, all right. So, okay, hold on. So, that was my very first suppressed gun ever shot, and it was 2011. And I was a little nervous, huh? It feels more expensive. It feels like that. It feels really like put together. This is the brand that they got right here. I'm in my element right now, so.
it is a little gassy.
Yeah,
I wasn't expecting that. How come?
because it's suppressed,
Okay.
and because it's suppressed,
So where's the gas coming from? I see this is not too low.
so the gas is coming from here.
Okay.
That's what's being blown in your face, and sometimes with the Geisley charging handle, that's why you see that it's a little bit more built up, and so it directs the gases up and away from your face.
Oh.
But when it's full auto, it's
Really no.
yeah.
That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
It sounded like
Huh?
it. I said it sounded like it.
So when you shoot, you make sure you plant your foot and lean forward a little bit.
I'm gonna try to give it a little bit extra.
Yeah.
Should be 15. Stay look right here.
All right. Yeah.
All right, have you shot a full auto before?
No.
No. Okay.
Put your eyes on.
Go ahead and stand on this side. Alright, so the way full autos work, it's safe, right? It's fired like a standard all the way back to full auto. When it starts to shoot, it's gonna want to climb, so try to drive forward. If you don't mind, I'm gonna put my hand on the back so that make sure that it doesn't go out of control. Okay, so right now, it's on safe. Okay, just put the dot where you want to hit. Put it all the way. There you go. And then squeeze the trigger and
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Thank you, man.
no problem.
All the
The gas, huh? That's a lot of gas. It burnt my damn eye. Appreciate it. Heavy as shit.
Safety's on. Slide that handle down. Ready? And push the safety down once for semi, twice.
Okay, this is my experience with full auto so far since it's so new to me. It's my very first time shooting full auto and suppressed. The full auto, it's fun, but it's like, it's gone, like, you know, just a second. How did you do it with the 10 rounds? That was 10 rounds fast, right? So it wasn't like enough fun for me to actually,
it was more like 2.
I gotta shoot like 100 rounds or something. And then I kind of like the loud noise too, because it just bring it, I don't know.
I hated the gas.
Huh?
Said I hated the gas.
Yeah, the gas burned my damn eye. What exactly is this?
This is a 6-spear LT with a Liberty Precision Anthem S on the front end.
It's crazy. So how much is this going for, do you know?
Right around $3,000. Yeah.
All these guys are
With the
crazy.
suppressor, there's probably 5-6 in it total, somewhere
Yeah,
there.
I feel it, I feel it. There we go.
You sound like this house you give it.
You're into the hobby.
Still so gassy. Still gassy. You want to shoot that or no? No. You should have waited. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You don't want to shoot? Huh? She better speak up. She got to get her money worth too. VIP.
There's 3 in it.
So are them considered subsonic rounds?
These are subsonic, yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was gonna be something.
Huh?
Which means
I thought it was
something.
gonna be like stronger, like more recoil or something.
So you want to shoot something big?
I'll be
huh?
honest, you looked a little nervous, so I gave you the one that was
Yeah, that's
the
why I thought
most
it was gonna be
most
something.
comfortable. Do you want to shoot one of the other ones? Okay. None of these are too bad. All right. Same thing, but heavier. Heavier. Put your hand up here a little bit more. It's a little easier. Here, give me 1 second. Somebody was playing with that. I want to make sure it was set right.
Which one you like more?
That one. You got a little bit of
Is this part shorter than what comes on the
No, everything is about the same. Yeah. The only thing that's going to be different
This is a lot shorter.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why, because this,
Exactly. It is. Yep. Same housing.
this is the giveaway on here.
That's it, man.
This whole thing.
Except for the optic. You know, I haven't clarified on it. I know. Hell, we're already giving you what?
I mean, no one's complaining, but it comes with this. Dude.
That's it.
Okay, we'll drop the magazine. Okay, drop the mag. That was it. Just didn't lock it. Okay, you guys are 5.56 mags, and we have the Fat Cat and the Turbo KRB 5.56 suppressor. The 9mm is the subsonic one that we stopped using.
And then she got
Just got to put your sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Okay. And we have the Fat Cat and the Turbo Arc, so you can take your time.
and you press that little button on the side. Press the button. You take the mag out. Take it out.
That's it. You gotta put them down.
The good one's a 2.9. No good.
Ready? Appreciate it. Yeah, man. Y'all hear all that noise? Now we finna run over there. I heard, you know, them big boy guns over there now. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna see what we're talking about. And then we're gonna, you know, make a round back over this way. We haven't shot this yet. I'm not sure what that is. 22? Somebody wanna shoot 22? 22? What's going? There's nobody standing over here. How come?
Oh, they've been here.
Yeah? Oh, look at the, I don't know what that's called. A switch gun, right?
That's called the life card.
Okay. So that's you can just put that in your pocket, huh?
Yeah. I mean, without the suppressor, for sure.
All right. I want to shoot that too.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna shoot both.
Yeah.
They're getting out there.
All right.
So when you get ready to shoot it, you're ready. You gotta grab this. Do it like that. Snap that out. Nice and flat. Now you're ready.
All right. I don't know where I shot, but it's pretty cool. Now it is. What is this?
All right. That's our backpack 9mm rifle.
Yeah.
That's got a 16-inch barrel, meets the rifle definition.
Yeah.
But it'll fold up, and this is a backpack.
So do it come with the backpack, or you gotta buy separate?
We just started shipping with the backpacks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This color is nice too.
Yeah.
Really
that's
nice.
Copper.
So how much are these going for?
$17.95.
$17.95. That's good.
That's
With the
doable.
rose gold trigger too.
Yeah, they come with the gold
That's
trigger.
crazy.
Yeah.
That's more reasonable than 3,000, 12, 15.
Okay, so go right there.
And then slap that, charge the handle.
Yeah.
Yep. Safety's on. Flick it up. Be off. There's 5 rounds. All right. And you got big hands. Safety off.
I like it. You want to shoot this? Yeah. You gotta shoot everything. You pay too.
You're ready. You short this one. Slap the charge handle. You're ready to go. Fastest one today. I love this. I'm just going to show you.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I've never seen a little thingy like this.
You like shooting fast, huh?
Huh?
I said you like shooting fast, huh? So we about to go over here and see what, see what they talking about. Huh?
I
Yeah.
haven't, I don't know, that's weird.
Huh?
Said that's weird. I don't like the little things where you gotta
You
slap.
gotta slap it
Yeah,
down
we gotta
and
slap
slap
them.
it with your left hand. You feel me? So
I don't like it. I feel like my arm's too short or
no,
something.
you just smack it. That's like how the HK is. He
It's
said,
gators in
he
here.
said smack. You said.
It's gators. It's gators in here.
Somebody in your chest. The first rule.
No man,
Don't
it's talking.
purchase anything from nobody in here. This is a scam. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
I said, you think it's gators in here?
Yeah,
I don't think so.
it's short.
So these were all the big boy guns at. So I gotta shoot the 50 cal. I'm gonna buy all the ammo up 50 cal. And I gotta shoot the 50 AE, the Desert Eagle. Yeah. Man, look at that gun on the floor.
Look at the little ones. They probably been over here all day.
Yeah. Guess this where all the fun at. This where everybody at, huh? That's the Glock with a switch.
Try not to talk, and I laughed because you shot it, and I go, oh my god, that was small. I was putting my whole body weight. Sorry. I was putting my whole body weight
You know, when I get into something, I become obsessed. So watch out. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, that thing is crazy, man.
I have some stuff like this.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. We're 22 now.
22? You know what the crazy thing is? 21. 21? Yeah, I just been putting 20s in them.
Hey, so what's the process of shooting one of these?
Okay. They're all tickets.
Okay.
That one is 7.
Okay.
4, 3, 1. It's a 22. 4.
So down
All right.
is
4 tickets.
auto.
They're all automatic machine guns.
So I have to buy a ticket.
And you get your tickets right over there at the red tent.
All right, appreciate it.
It's gas right now. With a full
Yo, let's see you working as your mouth.
Watch this work. Don't get this work.
Work your mouth.
Don't get this work.
Why you working as your mouth?
Yeah, we gonna see something right here from last night.
What's the count?
I don't know. Can you guys count? We're going to 3.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
On 1. Further?
Low ready.
One.
Low ready.
Hold on.
One.
Low ready?
Are we going low ready
Low
and then
ready?
present?
Go,
I
motherfucker.
gotta be careful with you guys.
Hey.
You old guys are tricky.
Hey, look, this is low. This ain't low. This is low.
Hey, listen, I'm
This is
compressed
low.
low. I'm running how I run. You ready?
3, 2, 1. Thank you. Did we see it? We saw, right? Did we see it? Did we see?
We saw.
We saw. Thank you very much. I came, I saw, I beat that young man's tail.
Y'all beat him too.
Damn. God. God damn. I was to that shit.
And we'll be ready to go.
Ready to go.
Yep. So stand up, like
Ooh,
stand
shot it
back,
backwards.
sideways. So you get me in the whole gun.
For people though that when I play this, to tell you the truth, 'cause I've done some stories of just flash and just not even a story, right? You know,
Third line down from the center.
I know I'm gonna play this episode.
That's your new center.
This doesn't. We're talking people in people in right? We're like I've never even seen. It's hard for me to imagine, right? Like
Okay, they don't know a bunch of black people, right? Or they okay, so here's what I'll tell you one time. So there's a difference between
Damn.
having black friends.
Oh, my wig back.
You know black people.
So where's the casing? I want to keep it. All right.
But if you're
right
friends
there.
and we let you in, the world is completely different, right?
Are you ready?
Like, I mean,
No.
You'll be all right. You'll be good.
they were gonna like
Hold the way. Pull back hard.
Ooh, dang. I am scared. You better watch out, bro.
She's strong. I got an MP5. You want to
It's on safety.
It's on safety. You can take your right thumb and flick it down. There you go. Third line down from the center, which is your new center.
There you go. There you go.
That's it. The slide home and set the brakes on. We all good. This thing looks beautiful, but it looks so.
What they would have done was
Isn't that right?
Come up here. Yeah, come up here. You recording on both? So 308 Scar, fully automatic. Let's go. So it's Glock 44, chambered in 22 LR with a switch on it.
Yeah,
Uh-oh. What happened?
Yeah, Second Amendment wholesale, they have you guys.
pick up the next round.
Athletic I got to counsel. I got to counsel all of them.
That's nice. So she's gonna be next.
Okay.
So it works like any other Glock. You know, you put the magazine in, you just slide it back, rack it back. How you been, bro?
Good, bro. I'm out here. It's hot, man.
Man.
But we out here getting this content. We grinding, we shooting, man. How you been?
Yes, sir. I've been all right. Enjoying the day.
You shot that switch, man.
Yes, sir.
That's what it's about.
Okay.
Yo, that is crazy.
Yeah, that's hard. You shot one yet?
Nah, I gotta shoot that. I want to shoot that next.
Yeah?
Why it feels so like soft?
Because this is 22. They got different calibers, though.
This one's
Oh,
9
that's a
mil.
23?
23, 40 cal.
Could I shoot that?
I'm gonna have to load you up a mag first.
All right. No rush. Gary, if you got people going on or anything.
So you want to shoot this next? That's what you're saying. Do you even know what that is?
Huh?
So do you even know what that is? You don't care, huh? How many bullets you get for that? Yeah.
How many?
I don't know.
Like a strap of it?
Yeah, like a little belt. So we gonna get you some? You gonna get some?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
40 Bravo.
Okay.
Same thing that the U.S. Army's using.
All right. Jeez. So it's ready to go?
The safety might be on.
No,
that's the bipod. So safety on both sides.
don't throw
I'm not sure which one it's on.
just gonna be
If it doesn't pull the trigger, just flip that.
fall right out the side.
Specific way to sit or no?
That works. We could take it off the tripod. You could hold it. It's a 308 mil pad.
Fire ready! Let it in! No fun sitting down.
You knew what I wanted to shoot it.
I should have took the standing up off for
Yeah. Thank you, appreciate it.
No worries.
I'm
You thought I was done? All right, so we got Resilience Suppressor here. We have a brand new candy just unleashed. Tell us a little bit about it.
How you guys doing? I'm Carrier with Resilience Suppressors right over here. We just released a new line of 22 suppressors. It's one of the widest on the market. And we're ready to give it away. You guys ready? All
So, they're a fresh company. How long have you guys been in operation?
Been in operation for about 4.5 years now.
They are kick. Lord, you guys got a couple of cans that you just unleashed. Tell us about those.
We got the, of course, I just said the 22. We got the Putney for our 5.56 and 7.62 AK. We have our MP5 RS9 for our 9mm. And right now, that's all the two cases today. But definitely want to take a look at the 22. Again, like I said, it's one of the quietest on the market. Really like to check it out.
All right, guys, so they want to get back to shooting, so without further ado, we're going to shuffle this a couple more times. Press that button. It's spinning. It's spinning. Going down. And we have a winner.
Robert Albonio.
Robert Albonio. Congratulations,
Yo. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If y'all like that long 30-minute plus video, please, show some love. This is my first ever event. Me and my girlfriend Kari, we both enjoyed ourselves. Thank you for everybody out at Pew Party that showed love to us. I'm not gonna sit up there and name everybody, it's a lot, but I appreciate y'all. Y'all know who y'all is. I'm gonna continue to grow, as a YouTuber and push out content and step outside of my comfort zone, because this is all new to me, you guys. So just think of it like that. I've only been doing this for about a year, a little over a year now, and I'm in love with it. You know, I love the culture of the 2A community. Everybody just so, you know, friendly and just welcome you with open arms and stuff like that. And yeah, man, it was just a blast out there. Be prepared for video 2, you know, part 2, because of course I had to split it in half. It was just too much content, too much stuff going on, too much big boy 50s and Scar 17s, 308s, man. It's crazy out there. It was crazy. And make sure y'all go subscribe to YBG Kari. She made a YouTube channel now. I turned her out. I took the Pew Party, and Pew Party turned Kari out. So now, you know, she into guns. She been kind of into guns a little bit, but now she, you know, willing to do a YouTube for the ladies and guys. If you guys want to watch her, you know, and put y'all on game as she's still learning, as we still learning. So yeah, just show some love. Her link is gonna be down below, so make sure y'all go subscribe to YBG Kari with 2 eyes. So I appreciate y'all. Peace and love.